Please put your hands together for the Birds of Chicago!
This band is Birds of Chicago, but we are we're Ohio rich. My brother and I and Dan are all from Toledo. I don't know how much of this interview we want to talk about the 1984 Old Orchard Wildcats Little League team that went to the regional semifinals, but I'd like to at least dedicate some of the time. But I was in the rotation. I was the first pitcher in the rotation. We went all the way. We lost to the Indiana State champs.
Someone's gonna come kill tonight. Least you could do is put up a fight. Hang it loose, keep it tight. You can do both, man, if you work it right. So get out on the lawn, shake it till the stars are gone. See, babe, I'm done, go on. Go in, go in, come on.
So the way we do it is, about 9 or 10 months out of the year, and then and this band was kind of built as a collective where kind of Allie and I and the bass player Chris were the ones who were crazy enough to be out literally all the time.
Wind your head, lick your hair, toss that hair like a paperweight. So get out on the lawn, take it till the stars are gone. See, babe, I'm gonna go on, go in, go down, come on.
And then Dan and Drew have jobs, and so we grab them in the summer and when we can, and then we have a couple other guys that are sort of part of the tribe. So we are swap
amazing drummer,
Nick
in,
from and Nick is now pretty much a full timer as well. So
and a beautiful singer too. Our favorite singing drummer since Levon Helm.
Wipe away your tears, go on and let them fall. Love, just remember the world, us is
So the one we just cut, we cut with a fella you probably know, Luther Dickinson from the North Mississippi All-Stars. He co-produced it with us. We cut it in Chicago at Electrical Audio, Albini's place. And maybe Albini wouldn't be the first person you'd think of with this band, but it's a hell of a live room. It's a great live room, and we wanted to do it in Chicago. And we did it mainly live. It's a little more of a rock and roll record than our last one.
step out, here come the night on the edge of the stone front. Rose alive now, love burning up. Nothing's gonna ever tear us asunder. Homeless, traveler, oh God. Step out, here come the night on the edge of the stone front.
But yeah, so I mean, coming to Ohio is we never take it lightly because this is where we got our start playing music.
Thank you so much.